formula for the secant tangent is b squared. Square daw natin itong tangent is equal to, multiply natin yung secant. Secant yung buo, which is AC, S multiplied by part of the secant, which is yung E. So, ito yung formula natin. Madali na. Okay, I have here a secant line and a tangent line. So, the value for the segment AB is 7, segment BC is 9, and DC is unknown, which is the x values. So, find the value of x. Find the value of x, this line. So, to find this value, meron tayong formula. Since secant tangent siya, according to secant tangent, ang formula na ay given muna. What is our given in this formula, in this illustration? So, meron tayong tatlong, T, S, at saka E. So, meron check. So, we have T, S, and E. What is the value for T?
X.
What is the value for T? That is X. Very good. How about S? S is the segment, the total. What is X? That is 7 plus 9. How about E? 9. Itong part lang na to. And then formula. Oo nga naman kasi. So, T squared is equal to SE. Yan, dali lang. So, solution. So, what is T? So, times squared siya, X squared. Equals, what is S? 7 plus 9, which is? What is E? 9. So, X squared is equal to? 16 times 9. 144. So, what will you do in this equation? Square both sides. Para mawala yung square dito. Square both sides. So, makakancel to. So, X will be 12. Take note class of square root. Laging dalawang sagot natin. So, positive, isa. So, we have positive and negative 12. Pero may pinaka-answer natin class. Bakit may pwede si negative 12? Walang measurement na negative. Okay, so our X is equal to? So, X is equal to 12. Easy? Easy.